A discussion about the homeless has ended up costing taxpayers in the city of Sarasota a lot of money.
City Commissioner Susan Chapman will return to court as her trial against the advocacy group Citizens for Sunshine is expected to begin tomorrow. ABC 7's Bobeth Yates explains how we got to this point. Bobeth.
Well, it's taken 2.5 years to get to this point, but both sides will get to present their arguments to a non-jury trial on the issue of Susan Chapman and if she violated Sunshine Open Records law.
It all stems from a 2013 meeting held by downtown merchants to discuss the homeless issue. Commissioner Susan Chapman and other city officials attended. Advocacy group Citizens for Sunshine argue that the public was not informed about the meeting's time and location.
Two commissioners had met without notice to the public and without an opportunity for the public to participate. Basically in a closed-door meeting.
Susan Atwell was the other commissioner involved. In 2014, both Chapman and Atwell were given settlement offers that required them to make a donation to a charity of their choice and take a course in sunshine laws, as well as pay about $17,000 in attorney fees. Atwell and the city agreed to the terms, but Chapman stood her ground.
There was no government decision-making at that meeting. There was no collusion. There was no evasion. We were listening to constituents.
That interview was with Chapman back when the lawsuit was originally filed. Since then, city taxpayers have spent more than $260,000 to defend Chapman's case. And according to the most recent trial brief filed in the case, Chapman continues to defend her innocence. The brief cites a 2010 case in which a judge ruled the mere presence of a trustee does not equate to a sunshine violation if no debate occurs between the two trustees. But since the homeless issue was later discussed and voted on during commission meetings, Citizens for Sunshine maintained their stance.
It's the attendance of the two commissioners that causes a responsibility to the public to notice the meeting in advance, open the doors to the public, and to keep minutes so that all the citizens of Sarasota, all the constituents, and anybody, frankly, who wants to knows what the input is into the decision-making on this very, very important issue.
Now, a judge will hear both sides of this argument beginning Tuesday. No word on how long that process could take.